Creating a website is cool, but what about building a business that actually earns money? Scout is the market-informed AI assistant that will help you build your business, starting with your go-to-market strategy. Scout will research the most relevant and timely business articles to perform market analysis and understand what's happened in your industry historically and what's happening now. Scout uses this data to create a very clear and professional go-to-market report that includes opportunity sizing, the pain points you're solving, your competition, segmentation, and everything you need to get your business off the ground. Next, Scout will create a beautiful modern landing page that's deployed so you can easily share it to start getting traffic, users, and feedback and test your monetization. If you're a professional and you're business-minded, we built Scout for you. So sign up today for free so you can start growing your business.